a JCTRUTHER. We're gonna do another homemade recipe video. I'm gonna do a chicken tomatillo green chili plate, like a Mexican plate, but like chicken tomatillo green chili. It's bomb. And a little bit of Spanish rice on the side. That's how I do it. You could do some pinto beans or black beans or whatever, but I just do Spanish rice, like that other video and that I made. You guys check out the Spanish rice, but I make the Spanish rice and then I'll just do a chicken tomatillo green chili plate. It's pretty bomb. So we just get some regular chicken breast or like the chicken tenders, boneless, skinless chicken, whatever kind you like, but boneless and skinless. That's the way I like doing it, because if you leave the skins on there, it messes up like the juice. So like, yeah, boneless and skinless. But some breast, some chicken thighs, chicken tenders, whatever, but boneless and skinless. We're just gonna put it in the oven and cook this first. So I have the oven going at 400 degrees and cook it for like 40 minutes, 45 minutes at 400 degrees until it bleeds clear, until the juices come out and the juices ain't white no more, they're clear. That's how you know the meat's done. And that's yeah, whatever meat, pork, chicken, you know, beef, you know, when it comes out, when it starts, the juices are clear, that means it's done. Really, it's like 165 and over. You can check your temp, but that's just another way. So first thing, salt. Put a little bit of salt up on there. Or actually, put a good amount of salt. Black pepper. Garlic powder. Yeah, those are the seasonings. You know, you gotta have some garlic powder, salt and pepper for sure. For that pretty much goes in it. All those spices pretty much go in a lot of dishes. Pretty much all my dishes. But yeah, it's like that. And then we pop it in the oven, and I'll show you when it's done. 45 minutes at 400 degrees in the oven. Just your salt, pepper, garlic powder, and, chicken breast, boneless chicken breast, skinless, boneless chicken breast. But yeah, put this in the oven for 400 degrees for like 45 minutes. Alright, I'll show you when it comes out. Alright, the chicken's done now. I cooked it for 400 degrees for like an hour, 45 minutes to an hour, around there. But yeah, each of those a little different. Check it when it starts bleeding clear, or when the juices come out and it's like clear, like a little burnt like that. So you know it's good. When it's still like, you know, the white, that means cook it a little longer. Check the temp too. See, it's supposed to be at least like 165 for chicken. Yeah, 178. Check this big old fat one right here. Yeah, look, 175. $180. Yeah, they're done. So now we just put the 505 Southwestern flame roasted Hatch Valley green chili, mild. Get one of those jars. And one of the jars of the Hatch Valley, or the 505 Southwestern Hatch Valley Tomatillo. That Tomatillo garlic lime. That one's green chili salsa. This is the Tomatillo. So you do one of these 505 Hatch Valley Tomatillo, and the other Hatch Valley. So one jar of each one, and then just some salt and some garlic powder. Just put them all over the chicken, cover it. That's the Tomatillo. I throw down the Tomatillo first, and then I throw the green chili on top. So this is regular Hatch Valley, flame roasted Hatch Valley green chili. Mild, you could do medium, hot, whatever. Just throw your green chili up on there. Bit of garlic salt, and then just put it in the oven for like another like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, until it starts like simmering. Once it starts simmering, you could, you know, take it out, let it sit for like 10 minutes. I'll be ready to go. So yeah, it's just the 505 green chili, one jar of that, and then the 505 Tomatillo salsa, one jar of that. Some salt, garlic powder, and put it in the oven. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. But yeah, you could do the chicken, pork, beef, you know, as long as it's skinless, boneless chicken. You know, the pork, you could do boneless pork, you know, like regular beef, boneless beef, like steaks or whatever. And yeah, even Casa Bonita, their new menu, that has the beef kind. So I always used to make the chicken and the pork, and that's good, but yeah, I didn't even know you could do beef. Beef's really good with it too. So you could do chicken, pork, and beef. Yeah, over there at Casa Bonita, they do the beef kind. I was like, what? You could do beef? It actually came out really bomb. So yeah, so now you could do chicken, pork, and beef. But just the Tomatillo salsa, the 505 Southwestern, and then the 505 Southwestern green chili. And the pure green chili, flame roasted, Hatch Valley green chili. And a little bit of salt, a little bit of garlic powder. And then put it back in the oven for 400 degrees for like 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Wait until it starts simmering. And then it's done. But yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's finished. All right, the chicken Tomatillo green chili plate is done. Well, the chicken Tomatillo green chili is done. I'll make me a plate with the. You want to use fresh cilantro and fresh jalapenos, and throw some cilantro on there and some diced jalapenos on there. But like, yeah, fresh cilantro, fresh jalapenos, some Spanish rice, the chicken Tomatillo green chili, and bomb Mexican plate. But I'll show you what the final plate looks like. But yeah, it's done. Alright, now the chicken Tomatillo green chili plate. And you just have your chicken, your you know, some fresh cilantro, fresh jalapenos, some rice. There you go. Make a bomb dish. Just do you could do chicken, pork, and beef, all the same recipe. But yeah, all of them are good. The beef, pork, and chicken. But green chili Tomatillo plate. Much love. Stay strong, my brothers and sisters. Subscribe, or yeah, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Catch me on the next video. Now I'll leave a link or that little thing for the rice video on this one. You guys know how to make the whole plate. But yeah, catch me on the next one. Peace. I'm out.